Welcome back everyone to Information Systems course. Let's understand more about digital data and various types of data now. As you know, computer can only work with digital information. Everything that they process must first be turned into a digital signal in one of the two states, either on or off. Digital data is information stored on a computer system as a series of these zeros and ones in a binary language. Information is stored on a computer disk and drives as a magnetically charged switch, which is either a 0 or 1 state. A single 0 or 1 is also called a bit. As you know very well that small sized data can be easily retrieved and analyzed. But with the advent of newer technologies in this digital era, there has been a tremendous rise in the data size. Data has grown from kilobytes to petabytes, and even to zettabytes. This huge amount of data is referred to as big data and requires advanced tools and softwares for processing, analyzing, and storage purposes. Agree? All right. Now, this big data can be divided into 4 categories. They are structured data, semi-structured data, quasi-structured data, and finally unstructured data. Now, talking about each of them, first in the list is structured data, the data that has a structure and is very well organized, either in the form of tables or in some other way, and can be easily operated, is known as structured data. Searching and accessing information from such type of data is pretty easy. For example, data stored in a relational database in the form of tables and having multiple rows and columns is a good example. Now, semi-structured data is basically a structured data that is unorganized. Spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel files, CSV files, tab delimited text files, XML, and other markup languages are the examples of semi-structured data found on the web. Due to unorganized information, the semi-structured is difficult to retrieve, analyze, and store as compared to structured data. In fact, it requires software frameworks like Hadoop and such softwares to perform all these operations. Moving on, quasi-structured data. This data format consists of textual data with inconsistent data formats that can be formatted with the effort and time, and with the help of several tools available in the market. For example, web server logs, that is log that is automatically created and maintained by some servers, which contains list of activities performed by the servers. Another example would be the clickstream data while using a web browser or portal. Talking about unstructured data, the data that is unstructured or unorganized, operating such type of data becomes really difficult and requires advanced tools and softwares to access information. For example, images and graphics, PDF files, Word document, audio, video, email, PowerPoint presentation, web pages, web contents, wikis, streaming data, location coordinators, so many out there, right? And the majority, which is more than 90% of the data that is generated in the digital universe today, is non-structured data, which includes semi, quasi, and unstructured. Now, if you see the screen, IDC predicts, the devices which are connected to the internet by 2025 is going to generate 79.4 zettabytes of information. I'm talking again about 41.6 billion connected IoT devices. Whereas if you look at the annual size of the global data sphere by 2025 is going to be 175 zettabyte. That's enormous. I hope you understand the significance of learning and understanding information systems, how do we manage this data, data science, and so many associated fields, right? I think you are in the right set of videos learning good stuff. So that's all I have. Let's stop it here until you come back to the next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.